Namaste and welcome to Gayatri Gatividya Gurukul. Today we are going to learn how to do Shiro Bheda, that is head movements, as per Abhinaya Darpanam. We are not just going to learn the Shloka, but we are going to try to understand the meaning and where to use it in dance. The first one is Sama, that means to stand straight. Keep your head straight at an equal level. This is usually done before you start a particular adavu. Next is Udvahitam, to look up. Head is lifted up or raised up like this, which means as if you're looking at something up into the sky. The third one is Adhomukha. Let's break down the word. Adho means down, mukha means face, where the head is held down. So this can be used to show shyness or sorrow. Alolitam. In Alolitam, the head moves in a circular movement like this, usually shown to show dizziness. For the next one, that is Dhutam, where head is moved side to side as if you're saying no, in a complete denial. Kampitam means nodding, looking up and down, like you're saying yes. For the next one, that is Paravrittam, is to move the head swiftly to one side as if you're ignoring someone. Imagine that Radha is very angry at Krishna because he's been playing around with others but not her, so she looks away. The next one is Ukshiptam, where the head is turned. So for the Paravrittam, we've already turned our head. From there, the head is lifted up. This is Ukshiptam, as if you're requesting for a command. And for the last one, Parivahitam, that is to move the head like this, left to right, as if you're just saying yes. Now let's do the Shloka together. Samam, Udvahitam, Adhomukam, Alolitam, Dhutam, Kampitam cha, Paravrittam, Ukshiptam, Parivahitam, Navada Shirasa, Natya Shastra, Visharadaihi. Only when you learn Shiro Bheda, Drishti Bheda and Griva Bheda, there's a complete difference and gracefulness in your Abhinaya as well as your nritta. For now, keep practicing the Shiro Bheda. In my next video, I will introduce you all to Drishti Bheda, those are eye movements. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it with your dance friends. Namaste.